Namaste, I'm Abhilasha. Let's get ready for Yoga Nidra practice. Yoga Nidra means deeper relaxation. See that you are using the space which is less likely to be noisy. You can use your bed to lie down or your yoga mat. For more restfulness, you can use some props like cushions or bolsters under your knees. Just lie down on your mat. Keep your body completely loose, relax. Allow your body and mind to relax. You can play this audio on speaker, or if you want to just tune to yourself, you can use your headphones. Now to focus on your body parts, keeping your eyes closed. Yoga Nidra means we are going to relax parts of the body. You have to just feel it, that anything like stiffness, tension or stress in your body parts getting released. When you are focusing on that particular part of the body, or you are getting aware of that particular part of the body. This deep relaxation. With every inhalation, you are feeling yourself with new energy, and with every exhalation, you are removing your negative energy. More than that, your stiffness, your tension, or any blockages in your body, not only in physical body, but also in your energy body. So when we are relaxing our body and its parts step by step, we are also working on our energy body. After deep relaxation, you feel completely rejuvenated, refreshed and full of energy. Keep your eyes closed. Bring your awareness towards your feet. So, natural inhalation and exhalation through your nose going on. So when we get aware of particular part of the body, you have to just feel it that you are inhaling from that part of the body and exhaling from that part of the body only. Get aware of your toes, right foot toes, left foot toes. Front foot, sole of the foot, both right and left, heels of the foot, both the feet, ankles, your calf muscles, your calves, your shin bone, feel that these parts are getting relaxed and getting filled with new energy. Move your awareness towards your knees, kneecaps, back surface of your knees, your thighs, outer surface of your thighs that are quadriceps muscles, then inner surface of your thighs, your hamstrings, bring your focus towards your pelvic floor. So all the tension from the pelvic floor getting released with every exhalation of yours. Slowly bring your awareness towards your glutes, your hips. So all the tightness is getting released with every exhalation and inhalation. Remember to breathe naturally. Now bring your focus towards your abdominal area. Abdominal area covers our vital organs like spleen, liver, your intestines, kidneys, your stomach. So all your internal organs along with your muscles and skin of your abdominal area is getting relaxed and filled with new refreshing energy. Now bring your awareness towards your back, your spine, your 33 vertebrae until your neck point, starting from the coccyx to the cervical area, your shoulder blades, all getting relaxed and filled with fresh energy. Let's move your focus towards chest area, our rib cage. Two very important organs reside over there, our heart and our lungs. So with every inhalation they are getting filled with life-saving energy, and with every exhalation they are getting relaxed. Now bring your awareness to your hands, your fingers of both hands, inner surface of your palms, outer surface of your palms, both of your wrists, forearms, elbows, upper arms, and your shoulder joints. They are getting relaxed and refurbished with good energy. Now bring your focus towards your neck area. Neck is the area where we collect lots of stress. So feel that your neck muscles are being more flexible and releasing the tension from your neck area. Now bring your awareness towards your face. Your chin, your lips, your cheeks, nose, ears, your eyes, eyelids, eyeballs, eyebrows, center of the eyebrows, forehead, side forehead. So all these parts are getting relaxed and filled with new glow of white light. Now bring your focus to the most beautiful organ of our body, that's our brain. Feel that your brain, along with the scalp and your hair, are getting relaxed, filled with beautiful energy. Now you can feel that your whole body from head to toe is filled with beautiful energy, white energy, white light. Your whole body is relaxed, lighter, filled with light, rejuvenated, refreshed now. Let's inhale and exhale 3 times. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. 1, 2, 3. You can continue to lie down if you want. Now slowly make some movements in your fingers, in your toes. Keep your eyes closed. Very gentle movement in your body. Turn to one side, taking support of your palms. You can sit down, cross legs. Once you sit down, rub your palms nicely, cup your eyes, and now open your eyes. Wish you a great day ahead. Namaste. Thank you.